Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about two things. The first one will be the funeral, right, for Big Head, man one done, right, so the casket them. I want to ask you a question, because I know say things change and you have different trends and, things were used in a style, take out a style and new things come in. So I just want to ask something, right, just so we understand, right, what go on in a modern day era, man. Next thing I'm going to talk about is, me say, Prime Minister Umber, right, gone, big meeting with CARICOM, right. The man representatives, left the island and meet up with other islands and deal with the, the Haitian situation. I'm going to talk about that too. Let me start off with Big Head. Now, in case you don't know, as a refresher, Big Head, right, was the quote-unquote Don, right, at Homestead one night time. Right, more of a standing, right. Fella, right, is away. Right, so Big Head, right, and team brother named quote unquote One Don, right, they run the place as them say. Now One Don dead first, right, and then Big Head dead shortly after. So I guess them decided to save some money. Right, well, not save money but maybe save time because, right, I imagine these caskets and this funeral wasn't cheap, right? So, well, I guess you still save money, right? So, save time and money and just bury the two brother them one time. Now, I go show now pick, right? And I want somebody confirm in the comment section for me. Don't DM me, because I know I'm a DM full about this. It's not that serious. But somebody confirm in the comment section for me. Right. I want you to look on the screen right now. Is this how the casket thing got Iron Man now? Casket stand upright, right, like say, as somebody stand up, right. Casket stand upright. I just want somebody confirm for me if I saw the thing set right now, so I can know never have to go to our next funeral in Iron Man. Right. So I just want to know if I does, Big Head them thing this or, is a new thing want to come in, somebody let me know so I can never go to another funeral in Iron Man again. So, opening a casket, having a little viewing, then like the casket isn't good enough anymore. Then having a casket where you can see right through and look on the dead the entire time, that not good enough again. Now you have to stand the dead upright, right? So that's you're facing them. You can't make this up. I don't know how to go on this. Right? I've seen something like this before, right, in our uncle's place, right, and I probably just let them get it from. Right? Unfortunately, for the things I may see in our uncle's place eventually trickle it way into Iron Man, right? But I don't know about this, right? I may say who knows, maybe it's been going on for a long time, but thanks but no thanks. I think I'll skip out an empty funeral. Not even my own flesh and blood may I do that for. Right? Sit down in a funeral, and you're in the chair, right, and the casket in front of you, upright, looking directly at you. I don't understand, right? Behind, I don't know how to go on this. Now, I know the culture, right, it's a video like culture. People love to be seen. We are telling me say people love to be seen so much that even in death, me and them I make 4. Well, it's really make 2. And before you start, yes, I confess, no bad man. Bad mind for the casket. Even though it would make no sense why I'd bad mind somebody for a casket, but this is the first thing people say when they ask any kind of I must see your car, I treat you one. Yes, I can't wait for you to get my own. That makes so much sense. Now, what I wonder is this. It's a funeral of pitney night because then the pitney them most traumatized. Right, imagine being a child, right, and you got your first funeral. And you see not just 1 but 2 dead men never look on you the whole time. Who will explain that one at pitney? And them say, right, from the mouth of babes, children have a way of being, right, painfully honest because them don't really get certain things yet. So I pitney might look on you and say, right, then all that makes sense. And we have to tell the pitney say, when the pitney ask why the caskets stand up and we have to stare upon them 2 dead men, we're not going to tell them. Say, a style and pattern, a image, don't bad mind the thing. Right. That you going to tell them. A swag. Right. Normal a lie. But we're not going to tell them. Say. Wish I was a fly on the wall to hear that conversation. I'm just saying, I understand the whole bossy funeral thing. Right? I understand the Ironman culture turn everything into a show. Everything must be exciting and dramatic and outlandish, even when you're going at the grave. I understand. Right? The bossy casket them and the bossy dressing is the culture. Right? I understand. Right? But making casket stand upright, that might be right, a unicorn too far. I've been to a few of these bossy funerals and I see the casket I get drawn and all kind of things. I'm saying, listen, if that's what people into, fine, right? But I understand the chariot and all that. I guess you can say them I try to do a royal thing. I don't know. But the casket standing upright, I mean, I stay up on the day. I don't understand that one. I don't understand what one is. I'm not join that one. So nobody invite me to a funeral like this. So if I saw funeral staying at Ironman now, let me know so nobody invite me now. Now, with that out the way, I'm touch upon the big delegation, I mean, say, CARICOM committee, CARICOM meet up to sort out Haiti. They say, hombre left the island, gonna link up with the other, the big wigs them from across CARICOM, delegation, Haitian matters. They see a statement from the chairman of CARICOM, the current chairman, Prime Minister Philip Davis, right? Him dismissed the idea of boots on the ground. Now that's a good thing because why would anybody want to put condom on the ground? That's very unhygienic. But no boots on the ground. Yet. Right? The way I'm saying it is like them I say, not yet, Maybe don't. Maybe. I don't know about that maybe there. I think Prime Minister Philip Davis is very aware, right, of how serious the situation is. And so me say no boots on the ground. Right. And that's a recent statement. I wonder how Prime Minister Umbre, right, they quickly jump out and say, Iron Man ready for this and ready for that. The chairman for CARICOM. Right. I say, that's them rather strengthen the Haitian police. Right? So them not going to send in the truth, but them are going to strengthen the Haitian police. Interesting. CARICOM are going to strengthen the Haitian police. Right. Well, Prime Minister Umbre, while you're over there, can you ask them some tips how to strengthen JCF? Since CARICOM know to strengthen the police, maybe we can get some tips that can maybe benefit at home as well. Let's get something straight. Umbre was a part of a delegation that included, every time I see the three countries them, I had to kind of hold back a little laugh. Right. Umbre is a part of the delegation, and the main people in want go, right, are reps from Trinidad and Bahamas. So Trinidad, Bahamas and Ironman. You can't make this up. 1,400 murder a year Ironman. 600 murder a year Trinidad gonna give advice and gonna strengthen Haitian police. Okay. You see, when time when I watch a local program, them I see the so-called experts, them sit down well dressed, speaking so nice. Right. A unicorn meet them and say, Think back to monkeypox and Big C. Remember how much experts when you sit on the TV screen? Almost everything enough of them say turn out to be nonsense. When you see them back and talk about it, you just get forgotten. Right? Like them think we forget all of the rubbish they said. This had to happen for this to happen and this to happen and nothing goes up. And them just disappear. And these were experts. And just change a new topic now, something else to talk about. Nonsense. Trinidad, Bahamas and Ironman ain't solving no crime in no Haiti. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If Trinidad, Bahamas and Ironman and these countries can fix crime in Haiti, why on earth them not fix it in their own country? 600 record-breaking murder here Trinidad. Right? In a delegation both for strengthen Haitian police. And if you strengthen the TTPS, that if you strengthen. I couldn't take Haiti for a joke, I take Haiti for a joke. Take Haitian people for a joke. Haitian people not telling us what they want here. Haitian people are not screaming out for no help from no Trinidad, from no Bahamas, from no Ironman, from no Uncle Sam. The only people who want to say that are the one them who are already in a Uncle Sam net. Right? The actual Haitians in the ground no want no foreigner running at them place. I have not seen that because I'm not looking at the mainstream news. I'm in the little trenches then. See like how you have mainstream news, but then you have like the PIA movement. Well, at the same thing for Haiti, you have the mainstream people in more talk. We need to do this. But then when they look on the local Haitian forum them and they look, the Reddit page and the Haitians them at all. People them don't want no foreigner running in them place, but for quote unquote help. Haitians are sick and tired of so-called foreigners help making them country worse. Can you imagine that being a Haitian? You're going to the fire. And then somebody to say, don't worry, help is coming. And you say, oh great, who's coming? Trinidad and Ireland. I can imagine how deflated they will be. Telling already, true confidence only comes from results. You're delusional. Your leaders are delusional. Right? When they sit down around coffee table and sip mocha chocolate or espresso, right, and talk about things they never experience and understand in a real life. The people that want to boost up this nonsense about Haiti, go quote unquote help. Right. Are the same people whom I talked about earlier with the big C, who they full of chat. Right. I remember monkeypox, they were full of chat, and then when time nothing turn out like what them say, then them just disappear in the background and nobody holds them accountable. That's what's going to happen with Haiti. Them are going to boost it up, then when time things start going left, them are going to slide away into the background. Right. And the Ironman public not going to hold them responsible. You were selling unicorn meat. With all due respect, Trinidad Bahamas and Ironman ain't helping nobody get rid of no gangs in their country, because they can't get rid of them in their own country. That's like a man whose wife legalized dry like the Nevada desert for 10 years straight, never been wet, gone boy my host rubber dub conference. How you think about that? A man whose wife legalized dry like the Nevada desert on a hot summer's day for 10 years straight. 10 years. Right. Not even a little bit of wetness. Right. A host rubber dub conference. Right. I show tactics how to do back chat and side stand lizard lap and no bro. You might tell about I'll help you please your woman. Really? So all yours dry up like syrup and zinc. So you can't please yours, but you want to keep big meeting and big conference to teach people how to please for them own. We don't believe you, bro. Dance a yard for your dance abroad. As me say, if this was a case where Trinidad and Ireland and Bahamas and CARICOM and was doing some serious crime fighting, and we see the tactics and the brilliance and the dismantling of gangs, and come on bro. We just see prosecution charge at 87 for the wrong charge. But any civilian could have go up on Google go see the right charge. Them are going to help strengthen the Haitian justice system. And Ironman won't shaky. No bro, man, I got a conference there. You can't host a rubber dub conference if your wife depressed, bro. Sorry, Ironman people, right, are the wife in that scenario. Dry like a desert. And they on TV I watch, right, husband, I give big speech at conference, boy my tease people. And nothing now go on at the yard. Dry like banana trash. You left it nice sun too long. And by the way, when we talk about murders and destruction in Ironman, don't Umbrella love say good things are happening in Ironman? Him love say that though. Good things are happening in Ironman. Well guess what, Mr. Prime Minister? There are good things happening in Haiti. Why don't focus on that? When since Prime Minister Umbre is in the business of not focusing on the good things. This is his style, right? He likes to focus on the good things. Mr. Prime Minister, there are good things happening in Haiti. You can't tell me that there is no good thing happening in Haiti. So, focus on that, right? This is how you look on things in Ironman, right? In your own country, you say good things are happening in Ironman, so make a look on that. So, good things are happening in Haiti, make a look on that. Right? Yeah, sure, gangs run rampant, but let's focus on the good things. Just like how gangs run rampant in Ironman, bedbugs still run rampant. We saw go on a Granville, and we see good things happening. So good things are happening in Haiti. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. Go live. Politricks squad, see you circling. Yes.